What's up guys? So today is a very special day because today I'm in Philadelphia at Ubiq. They're actually doing their Never Made collection with Adidas, which is really sick. So what they're doing is actually taking some of the uppers of the shoes that they had in stock and putting them on outsoles of other shoes that they had in stock. So not only did Adidas actually do that with some of their shoes that they're actually releasing, but Ubiq is allowing you to actually do that yourself with shoes that Adidas didn't even allow you to do. So that's so crazy. And I think they're actually letting me do it on a pair myself, which I'm really excited about. So let's do it. So this obviously isn't the first time that Ubiq's done things like this. They actually have a whole factory that they do really cool things like this all the time. So it's really cool that they're actually working with Adidas on this project and allowing people to create things that are their own, something that's never been made before. And I feel like that's the whole idea behind this collection, creating something that's different and something that's unique. And I think that's so cool. So before I actually design my pair, I'm taking a look at what soles that they have. They've got Boost You Wears, which I really love. They've also got some Commanda outsoles, which are sick. You've got some, I think these are Stan Smiths right here. Then they also have a bunch of uppers too. So if you want to do something really crazy, you can mix one of those like outsoles. Like I was really thinking about these Boost You Wears. I think these are fire. You can mix them with something like Commanda upper. You've got the like the Stan Smith tie-dye upper, which I think is so sick. You've got this Pharrell upper right there. That's awesome. So I'd be really interested to know in the comment section what you guys would like to see sort of mashed up together. I've got some pretty cool ideas. I really like this Commanda outsole right here. So why don't we see what sort of combinations we can do with this Commanda outsole. I kind of dig that a lot actually. I think that's pretty fire. What else we got? Here's the Commanda on the Commanda. I also really like the...
try this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, that's sick. That actually works really nicely too. What would you do? What would your ideal combination out of the stuff that's available be?
Man, I think you did it.
Really?
We got more of this one.
Yeah.
This would be sick on something. But I think we only have a right? I mean, not even on a Commanda.
Oh, that would be sick. That actually looks really sick. That looks like it was made like that. That's crazy.
You do some weird, like, toe covering.
Oh yeah, I'd be really interested to see that. I actually don't mind that at all.
Yeah, it's 11, but it probably fits like a 10.5.
It's my turn up at bat. I actually get to decide which upper is gonna go on which sole, and I'm so excited about it. I think for sure I'm going with the Boost You Wear sole because this sole is dope, and I've always wanted this on a shoe that wasn't the Boost You Wear, and so I think this is the perfect opportunity. But now it's time to pick the upper, and I don't know, I kinda wanna go crazy with it. I don't know, what do you guys think? The Boost You Wear.
BYW?
Oh man.
Might need a smaller Boost You Wear size. All right, let's get dirty, baby.
I'm so excited. I'll freak it out. Okay, guys, I decided to go with the Pharrell upper on the Boost You Wear outsole. So excited.
So what we're doing is so that we can get it actually in the sole, because obviously this upper doesn't match the sole that you're putting it on. So what we got to do is just Dremel a little bit out of the side just to smooth it down, so that when we apply the glue and then we stick it in the chamber, it's gonna last it perfectly. It's gonna look dope. Y'all thought you were gonna do some heat before he got here? No, he gonna beat you all to the punch. So we're applying the first layer of glue. The first layer of glue is gonna go onto the tooling or the sole, and it's gonna sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the upper and apply the glue. This is a two-part glue. It's gonna rest for a little bit, and then we're gonna stick them together, put it into the lasting chamber over here. It's an air compression sole press. So what it's doing is it's grabbing the shoe, that little rubber outlay that's around it is gonna then suction all of these balls around the shoe, basically giving you the exact form of the last, compressed up against the upper with the sole, bonding them together. So this just speeds up the process a little bit.
So the difference between doing this by hand and doing this machine, in the footbed there's air bubbles, but with that compressor, it compresses it right to it and gets all the air out, so it's like perfectly sits right on the last
So we are currently in the process of making this dream crazy grail shoe, one that I just never thought was possible. I'm so excited about this. Like I said, this is something that Adidas hasn't done. This is something that is only being done here at Ubiq, and that's crazy. I think you guys might have seen a little sneak peek of what's going on. You guys might sort of know sort of how crazy this sneaker could be, but until you see it, you're not gonna believe it. It's gonna be insane. It's so nuts. So the decision that we have to make now is whether we're gonna put eyelets in the shoe or not. We all feel like it would actually look really, really good with like Yeezy style eyelets. I'm blown away by how dope this shoe is already looking. Like, it could be cool as a slip-on right now, but imagine it with like some contrasting color laces. The OG like Pharrell rope laces.
More about where you're gonna put the actual hole, right?
That looks good, I think.
That looks sick.
Yeah.
I'm down with that. Let's do it.
All right.
Oh, so you're gluing it on first and then you're gonna sew it?
Yeah. I'm gonna let that glue sit a little bit.
So I guess like one of the dopest parts about this shoe that Seth made today is that Dank did a project with the US Open which required him to do a shoe for Pharrell. So we had the Human Race sent over. This is actually the upper off of Pharrell's Human Race that we gave to him with a Billie Jean King theme. So this is actually the upper that we deconstructed off of the sole that's now walking on Pharrell. So you got Pharrell's upper, he got your sole.
So far this event is absolutely nuts. There's a lot of really great people designing some really great shoes. I'm really excited to see what everyone comes out with.
Change it up, man. Everybody else
That might work better, yeah.
Nobody's done one of these yet.
That's sick. I think I'll go for that one, yeah.
The internet wants it.
Oh, the Ultra Boost on the Commander?
Yeah.
That's sick. It's just like everything that people have dreamed about making is getting made at Ubiq. It's crazy. And guys, this pair, I can't show you just yet, but it's nuts. So something that we just now noticed is that apparently both the shoes that I have, the right and the left, are actually both left shoes. But it's cool because they've actually been re-lasted, so they both fit like how they're supposed to. But we had no idea, so it's like even more crazy. I'm stoked on that actually. So guys, without further ado, here it is, the Pharrell Boost You Wears. These are nuts. Huge shout out to Ubiq and Ubiq Lab and everyone involved in this insane project. This is a shoe that I never thought would ever be made, and now that I see it, I don't understand why it's not, because it's 100% fire. So make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of the shoe and also which shoes you would design if you had this opportunity. Make sure to stop by Ubiq if you're in Philadelphia. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below if you haven't yet. Give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter at RealSethFowler. I'll see you guys in the next one.